So, first thing first, let's get you into doing a basic stick trick. Alright, and when I mean basic, I mean basic. Something as simple as, alright, and all it is, you hold your hand, you flick your wrist, you come back, flick. Now I'm joking. Alright, we're gonna go a little bit more basic than that. So, here we go with the elevator. Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your left hand, you're gonna bring it over like you're doing a hammer. When you get here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stop it with your index, and you're gonna hold it. Alright, now you're gonna flip this one. You know way half flip, but now look. When you do this, you wanna make sure there's space in between these two fingers and the stick. Why? Because when you flip here, you flip this one, you want to be able to come down straight into that hole. If your fingers are tight, you're going to hurt your fingers. You don't want to hurt your fingers. So, come up, flip, bring it down. Now, a few things you can do. When you come up, you grab it at the bottom. But the trick to it is, you lean the stick towards you so that while you slide it up, it don't fall. And you're here, so you just, when you get halfway, so that the balance is good, you switch positions. You keep coming up. You flip this back to traditional, flip this back up, come back down. So it'll look like this. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? If you want to make it a little bit more advanced, you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. I mean, so that's just other ways you can play with it. You still can do this. Come here. Spin it around here. You know, there's a bunch of different things you can do with that. So, yeah, take the time with it. Play with it. See what it's about. Like I said, you can come here. You can come halfway. Put it on the drum. Drop it down. Flip. Come back up. Same thing, but we just stopped it halfway. Half here. Drop. Flip, here, boom. Simple, alright? Just take it and experiment with it. See what you can come up with it. And then whatever you come up with, tag me. Let me know what you think.